Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel Talabat Pro. If you no longer want to continue your Talabat Pro membership, you can cancel it directly from the Talabat app. Now, canceling your subscription stops it from renewing automatically, but you will continue to enjoy your Talabat Pro benefits until the end of your current billing period. So to avoid being charged for the next billing cycle, Talabat requires you to cancel at least 24 hours before your renewal date. And this is how to do that. First, you have to launch a Talabat app on your phone and sign into the account that has the active Talabat Pro subscription. From the home screen, go ahead and tap on the Account tab, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This section contains your subscription, payment method, saved addresses, orders, and account settings. So scroll through your account page and tap on Talabat Pro, and it's going to open your membership page where you can view your current subscription plan, your renewal date, your membership benefits, and your billing information. So let's say, for example, you subscribe to Talabat Pro. Immediately you tap on Talabat Pro, it's going to show you your subscription. I have not subscribed, that's why I have all of these things going on telling me to choose a plan. But if you have subscribed, you'll find it right here on this window. So on the Talabat Pro page, right here in this window, look for Manage Membership or Manage Subscription or Membership Settings or similar option depending on your region. Now tap on it to view your subscription controls. Now, the wording may vary slightly depending on your country and app version, but the membership settings are located within this particular Talabat Pro section. So for your region, it might be Manage Membership or Manage Subscription or Membership Settings, whichever one, just click on it. Once you tap on it, just go ahead and select Cancel Membership or Cancel Subscription or End Membership. Then the app may ask why you're canceling. Choose the reason that best matches your situation or skip the step if it's optional. Now, after reviewing the cancellation information, tap Confirm, Yes, Cancel or equivalent confirmation button. Now, Talabat to process your request immediately. Once the cancellation is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been cancelled, auto renewal has been turned off, and your Talabat Pro benefits will remain active until your current subscription expires. You can also return to Talabat Pro page to confirm that your membership is scheduled to end on the displayed expiry date rather than renew automatically. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.